Today I shall discuss one of the important topic. The name of the topic is excellence in post-scholastic activity for the student. There are some post-scholastic activity. These are NCC, National Cadet Corporation, is one of the post-scholastic activity which develop the students. Drawing and painting, dramatics, music, including instrument, song, dance, art and models, debate, extempore speech, school magazine, reading and storytelling, essay writing and story writing, recitation, visit government panchayat, educational tour, social service activity, sport, swimming, yoga. These are the co-curricular activities which develop the personal life of the student. Thank you.